Here's a sound recording problem inside Davinci Resolve version 17. Let's go here to Fairlight and let's arm it. Let's also mute it to get rid of the echo and record. So the problem is that the sound recorded from the microphone from time to time is clear and from time to time is corrupted. And that is cyclically repeating and it's clean and it's corrupted. Let's just stop that one, go to the Edit tab. Let's unmute it and let's preview that sound and record. So the problem is that the sound recorded from the microphone from time to time is clear and from time to time is corrupted. And that is cyclically repeating. Okay, so that's the corrupted sound. How I fix this problem? I go here to the headphones icon and go to sounds and then to playback. So I have a wireless headset that is sending the data through the air and it has a USB antenna. I simply have to unplug that one because this one uses USB also, and the microphone, which is this one, Superlux, that is also using the USB. So I have to unplug the small antenna from the USB